Today, I'm showing you guys how to make clove water. Simple natural toning that helps your hair grow faster and give you a healthy hair scalp. The first thing you gotta be the cloves.
Clove water contains eugenol, which improves blood circulation in the scalp. Better circulation means hair follicles get more nutrient and oxygen, improve growth.
Once you got a clove, you're gonna need a rice cooker. This type of bowl you see in my hand here, fill it twice, empty into your rice cooker. This gotta be the first time, and this gotta be the second time. Once that water starts smearing, take it out and then put it aside. Straight away, empty the whole cloth inside smeary water.
Stir it a little bit. Just make sure all the grain are okay inside.
Let it cool down up to 15 minutes. Put it into the jar.
This is the jar I'm using. It is in glass. I don't use plastic. I don't drink in plastic. So I'm gonna be keeping somewhere from 24 hours up to 48 hours, sometimes up to 1 month. This gotta be allowing all the mineral and the vitamins that are inside the cloth to infuse inside the water. So I'm gonna be telling you guys why later. Just keep watching.
I always go about using this guy to strain the water, separating the greens of the cloves from the water, right?
I'm gonna bring these empty balls and this strainer, which I showed you guys before, and then start just straining it. And by the way, if you love natural remedies like this, just subscribe and ring the bell so that you don't miss out. Make sure the bottle is properly empty and there is nothing inside. Our clove water is ready to be used. The antioxidant in clove water helps strengthen the hair follicles, reducing hair thinning and breakage. Clove water have antifungal and antibacterial properties that fight dandruff, itchiness, and scalp infections.
So I'm gonna show you guys 2 ways you can go about using it. So my way first,
before applying the clove water onto your hairs, you gotta be washing your hair properly first with the shampoo. And this is the shampoo I'm using right now, right? So if you do wanna go about using the shampoo, always make sure to go about reading from the back side all the ingredients inside. Are you allergic to them? If you're not allergic to them, then go about using it. Rinse your hair 3 times or maybe 4 times, just to make sure your hair is properly rinsed up. There is no shampoo into your hairs.
Put your hair into the clove water until the clove water comes onto your forehead.
For vitamin B's, B1, B2, B3, B6, make sure not to let the clove water, go in contact with your eyes. Regular rinsing with clove water can give hair a natural shine and make it appear fuller and thicker. Within the cloves, you're gonna be finding the vitamin A, which supports your hair scalp and cells growth. Vitamin C, a strong antioxidant that boosts collagen productions, important for strong hair strands. Vitamin E protects hair follicles from damage and promote growth. By nourishing the scalp and strengthening the roots, clove water helps minimize excessive hair shedding. The antioxidant clove can help slow down premature graying by protecting the hair pigment cell, which is kind of cool. You're gonna be lying down there up to 30 minutes, just allowing all those infused minerals and vitamins into your hair follicles and underneath your hair scalp, which is good for hair growth. And that's how it works. Now I'm gonna have to rewash my hair again just to try rinse all the clove water out of my hair. Method number 2, you can always go about boosting it. Always make sure first you're not allergic to none of this oil. Rosemary oil, coconut oil, olive oil. Take a small quantity, put into the water, mix it up, and then apply to places where you normally don't grow hairs. You're gonna be getting the best result out of it. If you guys enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe, turn on your notification clocks, ask me questions. I'll be always here to give you guys an answer, right?